The fabrication of the all-welded firebox is being completed. It is placed in position in the boiler. 4,400 stay bolts are required to attach it to the outside shell or wrapper sheets. The application of the stay bolts, together with the flues, completes the boiler. It is moved to the erecting shop, where it is placed on and attached to the engine bed. There, overhead cranes lift the boiler and engine bed as a unit and move it in position over the driving and truck wheels. The clearance between the axle housing and the engine bed pedestals is only 12 thousandths of an inch, which explains the extreme care being taken in lowering the engine to working position on the wheels.